Wouldn't it be great if you could ensure that all the leads generated by your sales team makes it to your CRM effortlessly? You do not lose the detailed information from every business card your sales team receives. And you can track where and whom your sales guys meet on ground in real time. Say no more. With ProContact app, you can get all this and more. ProContact app is digital business cards app that allows your employees to share a link of their digital business cards, carrying your company's personal identity by either entering the contact details of the recipient or scanning their card. The paper business cards received are digitized instantly, and all the data flows into your central system, making your sales funnel more stronger, gives you real-time insights into your team's movements, helps you go paperless, and saves tons of money spent on paper visiting cards every year. To upgrade your traditional paper visiting cards with new age and professional-looking digital business cards, switch to ProContact app now by visiting our website, www.procontact.app.